Navy Chief Admiral Marsetio has released a new book which provides valuable insight for the Indonesian Navy to address threats and challenges within the Indo-Pacific region.
Former Indonesian Navy Chief Admiral Marsetio has launched the second revised edition of his book, Sea Power Indonesia in the Indo-Pacific Era, on Tuesday morning, emphasizing the significance of maritime power for Indonesia in the strategically vital Indo-Pacific region and the approach the country should adopt to address this matter.
Menko Marves sudah menyampaikan ada usulan, ada ide kawasan potensi konflik ini menjadi kawasan kerjasama. Nah, kalau kita lihat ke depan, namun harus kita ingat bahwa civis pacem parabellum. Kalau negara menjadi kuat, ingin menjadi kuat, maka kalau kita cinta damai, maka kita harus siap untuk berperang. Nah, makanya dalam Sea Power Indonesia di era Indo-Pasifik ini, bagaimana kekuatan kita, bagaimana kita ke depan melangkah, kemudian bagaimana potensi-potensi ke depan yang bisa kita kerjasamakan.
Marsetio's book highlights the shift of global industrial power from Europe and the United States to the Indo-Pacific, making this region the new center of gravity. In the book, he elaborates on Indonesia's strategic role as the world's largest archipelagic nation and its need for a robust maritime policy to ensure prosperity, security, and justice. He emphasized the strategic function of the sea in unification, resource provision, transportation, technological development, influence building, and national defense. The retired admiral wrote this book with the aim to improve Indonesia's maritime doctrine, and the Navy Chief, Admiral Muhammad Ali, praised Marsetio's work, stating it would be distributed to all naval fleets across Indonesia, while also expressing confidence in its national benefits.
Pertama-tama saya mungkin perlu mengucapkan selamat dan terima kasih pada Profesor Dr. Marsetio yang telah meluncurkan buku ini, di mana buku ini sangat penting sekali bagi Angkatan Laut, terutama bagi generasi muda Angkatan Laut. Dan juga terima kasih pada Pak Marsetio sudah rencananya akan memberikan buku-buku ini kepada seluruh armada, baik armada RI, armada 1, armada 2, armada 3, dan nantinya buku ini akan menjadi bacaan wajib para perwira, terutama perwira muda Angkatan Laut, TNI Angkatan Laut.
The Indo-Pacific region, spanning the Indian and Pacific Oceans and including major global economies, is a critical international trade route with over 32.2 million barrels of crude oil passing through its waters annually. Nearly 40% of global exports originate from this region, making it a contested arena for major powers. As an archipelagic nation located at the epicenter of the Indo-Pacific, Indonesia requires proficient sea power to address threats and challenges inherent to such a globally important region. And this book is poised to become a key resource for understanding and shaping the country's strategy in doing exactly that. Satya Pramesi and Lutfi Evan for CTV.